I have in front of me a Gripid plasterboard fixing assorted kit. So basically 4 sizes in this. It comes with a with small parcel low cost delivery directly from freetv.ie. So this is the outer box it comes in, and then you have a little insert here inside. So basically we have 4 different sizes that you can see here. The smallest is the yellow going all the way up to the blue, we'll say, and then we have the little bolt screws that go with it here. So basically there's 3 steps to it. The first thing is you drill out the wall your plasterboard. So the sizes depend on the thing. The smallest one here would be a 15mm. The next size up is an 18mm hole, then a 20mm, and then a 25mm. Okay, and so we drill it out. Then we line this up. Let's just pick the larger one. You line it up with the hole. You tap it in with a hammer, and then what you do is you twist the central unit here to unlock it. Okay, and just to give you a demonstration, maybe on the smaller unit here, what you can see is it goes in like this. And what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to open this up. And you can see here, I'm going to just do it with my hand here. And what happens is, that's where the magic really is that it actually grabs, it's much wider now than it went in, and it's grabbing a large area of plasterboard behind, and that's what's giving the safe mounting on it. So what it's basically saying is on the smaller ones here, for mirrors, things like that, moves up the way through, and the larger blue ones are nearly, that's not nearly always what you'd use for televisions. Now, freetv.ie, we're obviously got into stocking these because of the television element to it. So it depends a little bit on the size there, but we're actually coming along and looking at the weights here. The safe loads that the yellows, which is the smallest one, can hold is 71 kgs, and the blue one goes up to 113 kgs. So anybody knows about televisions don't go anywhere near that in terms of weight. In theory we'll say the thing, but the blue ones are normally the ones that are used on it. So overall we'll say it's just a really cool niche product. There's a total of 8 in each, so 2 full sets for each one, because normally you'd be mounting certainly with televisions in 4s. And it just proved to be a hugely popular product here. So it's just a product we resell, and it just works really well because of the television brackets and things like that we do it. If you're not certain of the size, or you have a range of different ones or reasons to be able to mount things on plasterboard, buying a kit like this is great because you can pick out the ones that suit best, and often we'll say a number of different sizes can work with it. So that's it anyway, an overview of the Gripid plasterboard fixings assorted kit available with low cost delivery from freetv.ie.